the news headlines were all about falling home prices and a crash coming for 2023. Well, that didn't happen, and it definitely did not happen in Annapolis. So let's take a look at what is happening in Annapolis. It's Friday, September 22nd, 2023, and this is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Take a look at this graph comparing last year's predictions to the current forecast. Last year was pretty gloomy, no, but every one of those entities has adjusted the 2023 numbers into positive numbers. Why? Because year to date, the housing market has continued to grow. In Annapolis, you've heard me give the appreciation rates every month. If you ignored the doom reports and bought or sold a home, kudos. A lot of people pulled out of the market to wait, and what happened? Interest rates went up, and so did home prices. Not a win for them in my book. You're going to continue to see negative media coverage in the months ahead because news media is national. There are markets out there transitioning into a more normalized market, and that is going to really feel painful for sellers who've been used to hearing about multiple offers and selling in 7 days. Here in Annapolis, homes are going under contract in 5 median days and selling at 100% list to sold ratio. Inventory is up. There are 128 homes for sale right now. 30% of these have made pricing reductions, but the median sales price is up to $761,000. 27 homes are coming soon to the market. 11 went under contract since last week. 9 moved to pending. 35 homes sold over the past week. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was a waterfront in Wimbledon Farms for $5,325,000. Rentals in Annapolis rose again this week to 36 for rent at a median $3,000 per month, and leasing in just 18 median days. That's been steady over the past weeks. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, September 22nd, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week.